Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So, students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you the last part of trigonometric identities. So, the objectives of today's class will be mind map on trigonometry. We are going to solve multiple choice questions. We're going to solve concept based questions and we are going to solve subjective questions. Okay, so let's revise this trigonometric identities. Okay, sine square a plus cosec square a is equal to 1. For all the values of a, this is true. Okay, sec square a minus tan square a is 1, where a is greater than equal to, okay, is where a, the angle a, the range is only from 0 to 90. Even cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1, where the angle a lies between 0 to 90 degrees. It can be 90 also. Yes, the complementary angles. Okay, so it is greater than 0 and equal to 90. Okay, cannot be equal to 0 because you know what is cot a, if cot 0, okay, so cot 0 is indeterminate, infinite. Okay, so that cannot be the value. Yes, complementary angle sine 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Cos of 90 minus a is sine a. Tan of 90 minus a is cot a. Now the inverse cot 90 minus a is tan a, sec 90 minus a is cosec a, and cosec a minus 90 minus a is sec a. And we can solve few examples. So 4 sine square theta minus 3 is 0, where a is the acute angle. Find theta. Okay, so sine square, 4 sine square is equal to 3. So sine square is equal to 3 by 4. Take square root. Sine theta is square root 3 by 2. Which value of sine theta? Square root 3 by 2. It is the angle 60. So that is the answers. We also studied the trigonometric definitions. Like we also studied the trigonometric table. I told you this is very important. This you need to remember. Okay, I also told you no need to remember how to get this angles. Okay, now if you know the values of sine this, write it in the reverse order, you get the answers of cos, and divide sine by cos, you get tan. Okay, now take inverse of sine, you get cosec. Take inverse of cos, you get sec. Take inverse of tan, you get cot. Okay, or it is good to remember these things, this many things, and you take the inverse, you get the other things also. Yes, find the value of cos 60. The value of cos 60 is, okay, so sine 30 is half, which is cos 30, cos 60. This is the answer. I've told you how you can find. You take a equilateral triangle, draw a perpendicular. So this is 2, this is 1. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, this is root 3. Okay, so this is 60 degrees. Cos 60 is base by hypotenuse. It is 1 by, yes, the value of tan 90. How much is sin 90? Sin 90 is 1. Okay, cos 90 is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinite. Not defined is the answer. Cannot be defined or not defined is the answer. In a right angle triangle, if A is acute and cot A is 4 by 3. Okay, let's draw a right angled triangle, and cot of this A, this is angle A. Okay, cot A is base by perpendicular. Okay, so ABC, cot A is equal to BC by AB, which is 4 by 3. Find the remaining trigonometric ratios. This is 4, this is 3. By Pythagoras theorem, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Add them, you get 25. Square root of that is 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. You need to remember this. Okay, that's all now. Find the remaining trigonometric ratios. How much is sine A? 3 by 5. Cos A, 4 by 5. Tan A, 3 by 4. Cot A we already have. So cosec A inverse of sine, which is 5 by 3. Sec A inverse of cos, which is 5 by 4. This is how we find the remaining trigonometric ratios. Yes. If tan theta plus cot theta is 2, find the value of tan square plus cot square. Okay, so yes. So using the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2a. Now tan plus cos theta whole square will give us tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 times tan theta into cot theta, okay, which is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4. We know tan theta and cot theta is inverse of tan theta. This we can write as 1 by tan theta. So this cancels. We are left with 2. Okay, now take this to this side. So we have tan square theta plus cot square theta is also equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. You got this? Yes. Okay, see, our answer is 2. Find the value of 4 by cot square 30 degree plus 1 by sin square degree minus square of cos square 45. 4. How much is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by square root 3. So cot 30 is square root 3. Square of square root 3 is 3. Okay, plus sine 60. Okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, so square of that is 3 by 4. ये by 4 है, मैं ऊपर लिख दूंगा. Okay, so 1 into 4 is 4, guys. Okay, or let me write some steps. Okay, so 1 by 3 by 4 minus cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So square of that is 1 by 2. Rearranging them, we get 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2. This is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So take the LCM as 6. So 8 to the 16 minus 3, which is 13 by 6. This is the answer. 13 by 6 is the right answer. If cos theta, the sine theta is square root, find this. Find the value of sine by cos. Okay, sine by cos. Okay, so divide the LHS and RHS by cos theta to get the value of sine by cos. Okay, so divide this by cos theta, divide both the sides. So cos theta by cos theta, we get 1 plus sine theta by cos theta is tan theta is equal to square root 5 tan theta. Okay, now take this side. Okay, we get square root 5 tan theta minus tan theta. I want to take tan theta common. So square root 5 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this tan theta or sine by cos theta is equal to 1 by square root 5 minus 1. Now you can rationalize this or you can leave it as it is. Okay, if I simplify this, 1 by square root 5 minus 1 into square root 5 plus 1 into square root 5 plus 1. Okay, so this will be square root 5 plus 1 divided by 5. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 5 minus 1. Square root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is also the answer. Okay, we can write separately, then this is also the answer. Let's see what answer they have given. Okay, they have given the first one. You can also rationalize this. Find if A is 30 degrees, prove that cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Yes, this is the identity which you will be learning in 11th standard. Now we are asked to prove using the angle 30. Okay, LHS is equal to cos. Okay, 3 into 30 degrees. How much is that? Cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Let me write one more step. Cos 90, which is 0. RHS. Okay, so 4 cos cube 30 minus 3 cos 30. 4. Cos 30. How much is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Cube of that minus 3. Cos 30 is square root 3 by 2. Okay, so this is 4 into square root 3 into square root 3 into square root 3. 2 square root 3 will give us 3 square root 3 by 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8 minus 3 square root 3 by 2. Okay, now this is 8. I want this also to be 8. Like 2 fours are 8. So multiply by 4 4. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. Here also 4 times 3 is 12. So ultimately we have 12 square root 3 by 8 minus 12 square root 3 by 8, which is 0, which is equal to RHS, which is equal to LHS. Okay, so LHS, RHS are same, hence proved. Yes. 4 sine square theta minus 3 is z is equal to 0, where theta is a acute angle. Find sine theta and theta. Okay, yes, very easy. So 4 sine square theta minus 3 is 0. How much is 4 sine square theta? Is 3. Minus 3, I have taken the transpose. I have written this side, it is plus 3. Now sine square theta is 3 by 4. Now sine theta is take square root, so we get square root 3 by 2. Which value of theta is square root 3 by 2? Sine 60 is square root 3 by 2. Okay, so the theta value, this implies theta is equal to 60 degrees. I found the value of sine theta. Sine theta is square root 3 by 2, and also the value of theta is 60 degrees. Yes. For 0 greater than a greater than equal to 90, find the value of tan square a plus 9 minus is equal to 3 sec square a. Yes. Find the value of a. Yes, we have done this. Now tan square a plus 9 is equal to 3 sec square a. I'll write sec square a as 2 sec square a plus sec square a. Now taking tan this side, it will become minus tan square a, which is equal to 9. Now this value is 1, because 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. So sec square a minus tan square a is 1. Okay, this value is 1. So 2 sec square a plus 1 is 9. Take this side. 2 sec square a is equal to 8. Sec square a is equal to 8 by 2. How much is 8 by 2? 8 by 2 is 4. Sec square a is 4. How much is sec a? Sec square a is 4. Secant of angle a is 2. Okay, now which angle A will give us 2? We know cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 is inverse of that, which is 2. So sec 60 degree is also 2. This implies A is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, this is the answer. A is equal to 60 degrees. Yes. Now prove this. Sine A minus cos A plus 1 divided by this. Okay, we have already solved this in the previous class. So yes, let me show you how to solve this. There are various methods to solve this. Okay, so yes, the solution is not given. So it is up to us now to solve this. Let me show you how this is done. Okay, now this is a special thing. Okay, so what they are doing is divide the numerator and denominator by cos. Since this is in sec and tan, so we need to convert this also in sec and tan. So divide the numerator and denominator by cos. So sin a by cos a is tan a minus 1 plus 1 by cos a is sec a divided by tan a plus 1, okay, minus sec a. Yes. Now, okay. Now, the next thing what you need to do is you write this separately like tan a plus sec a divided by. Okay. So this. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll write a tan a minus sec a in the denominator. Okay, plus 1. See, we know that 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square a. So 1 is equal to sec square minus tan square, right? So this I'm going to write it as sec square a minus tan square a. Okay, yes, okay. And this I'll write as tan a plus sec a and minus 1. Okay, now from this, what I can take common? So this can be written as, okay, mm, let me make some more space and write this down. Let me write the numerator first so that I can, denominator first so that I can adjust and write the numerator accordingly. Okay, so sec square a minus tan square a is nothing but, okay, this I'm writing first, sec a minus tan a into sec a plus tan a plus sec a minus tan a minus sec a. In order to take things common, okay, so what I'll do is I'll take a minus sign outside. Yes, so minus sign is taken outside and inverse the sign, sec a minus tan, and above I'll write it as sec a plus tan a, okay, minus 1. From this too, I want to take this common. So what will I be left with? So I will be left with sec a plus tan a minus 1 divided by, if I take sec a minus tan a common, I'll be having sec a plus tan a, and here I've taken common, so I'll be left with minus 1. Now this and this whole term gets cancelled. Okay, I'm left with 1 by sec a minus tan a. So this is the different approach to solve this. In the previous class, in the trigonometric identities 3 also, I have solved this problem with a different approach. Check both the approach, whichever approach you like, you use that. Okay, by the way, this is an important problem, so practice this. Okay, if sec a is equal 4 sec a is 5 by 4, find the value of sin a, this. Okay, so sec a is how much? Sec a is 5 by 4. Okay, now cos a, how much is cos a? It is 1 by sec a, which is 4 by 5. Now I've told you cos a is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now this is a Pythagoras triplet. Use Pythagoras theorem, you will get 3. Okay, so substitute here and find the value of sine A. Sine A is 3 by 5 minus 2 times cos A is 4 by 5 divided by tan A is 3 by 4 minus cot A is 4 by 3. Okay, so 3 minus 8 by 5. How much do we have? We have minus 5 by 5, which is minus 1 by 1. 5 by 5 is 1 by 1, right? Minus 1 by 1. Now this is 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 16 by 12. Okay, now write this, rearrange this again. We get minus 1 by 1 into 12 by 9 minus 16, which is minus 7, right? So 9 minus 16 is 7. Okay, now solve this, we get 12 by 7. 12 by 7 is the right answer. Okay, yes, we got the answer right. Find the value of sine A into sine 90 minus A. This. Okay, so yes. So see this, guys, see this. So sine A. We know sine 90 minus A is what? Cos A minus cos A. Cos 90 minus A is sine A. It is the same thing. A into B is B into A. Same thing, right? We can rearrange and write this as like this. So same thing minus same thing is 0. 0 is the answer. Find the value of this. Okay. So simplify this. Cosec A can be written as 1 by sine A plus sine A and cosec A minus sine A. 1 by sine A minus sine A. Now take the LCM. So we will be having 1 plus sine square A divided by sine A into 1 minus sine square A divided by sine A. Okay, so this is okay. Now simplify multiplying like this. Okay, so what do you get? We get 1 minus sine square A plus sine square A minus sine raised to 4A divided by sine square A. Okay, now this and this gets cancelled. Okay, now sine square into sine square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by sine square A minus sine square A. Okay, so 1 by sine square can be written as cosec square A minus sine square A. Okay, and see, this is also right. So on simplifying also you can get this answer also. So they have not asked proved, they have just told simplify. So you can get this answer also. Okay, so many other things you can get. So case study based on questions. Okay, now this you are going to learn in the next upcoming chapters. So in the heights and distance. So see this, read this question. What does this say? Suresh is having a garden near, okay, near Delhi. In the garden there are different types of trees. One day due to heavy rainstorm, one of the three got broken as shown in the figure. The height of the unbroken part is 15 meters and the broken part, the tree has fallen 20 meters away from the base. Using Pythagoras, answer the following questions. Okay, what is the length of the broken part? Okay, so the length of the broken part using Pythagoras theorem. This can be assumed as a right-angled triangle. Okay, so perpendicular is 15 and the base length is 20. Find the other triangle from the Pythagoras. theorem. Okay, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So 15 square plus 20 square is equal to AC square. 15 15s are 225, 20 20s are 400. Add them, we get 625. AC square is 625. AC is 25. कैसे sir? Okay, you need to simplify this. देखो यहाँ पे 620. Do you know the tables of 25? नहीं आता है sir. 1 to 10 ही आता है. Okay, so divide by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. Divide by 5 again. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. 25 is 5 into 5. Now AC is square root of 5 square into 5 square. है ना? 5 square into 5 square. AC is 5 into 5. AC is 25 meters. The length of the broken part is 25 meters. Yes. What is the full height? The full height of the tree is 15 plus 25, which is 40 meters. Okay. In the form, what is the length of the hypotenuse? Just now we solved it. The length of the hypotenuse is 25 meters. Yes. So what did we learn? We learned all the things in the today's class. So that's all for today. Students, those are new, you can subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Okay. So next chapter will be heights and distance. So that's all for today then. Bye bye. Have a nice day everyone.